Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet venikeno. So we use wa. Esiesi ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe mwa. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Ghana TV also a producer some who do ya bobuano ye de ever so mo kase bo kwanso we eye kase botil o hwe me live o YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So any day you can watch me, subscribe, like na share ma wunu bi o baby entimi enhwe bi me amaje bre America kase boyi ever so mo eye me da chehima adwoa na ti afeyembora ensamono emu. Sini twani ye friend of Prince Lana na Ajema edin adodo na ede friend no eye Ahuofe Patri ede ensembi aba betodwa na o kire mu se ni din Ahuofe Patri na obi ade friend no Kalybos and edi se din no emma no wa bra na wo twa boys kasa comic video no na Kalybos edi se din no emma no hu se edin na Kalybos di ama no edin na boa ni yie pa etimi ama wa trendy we se afa ni nyina wetimi Hygiene din ewo ho na se din ne de agwa ne yie pa nti Kalybos Ahuofe Patri se odewoka esan se wetimi edi se din no aboa no ama wetimi aye star enne na woto aso na o kire mu se one Kalybos aye agreement na womo ate womo ho asese emfie mienu ebebeyi se yade se Kalybos onya ne dofo onya obi a wo be ware no a won ware ye na Ahuofe Patri hia no nso emfie mienu ebeba no no nso enware ye no wonhia ne dofo bi a womo mienu no be ye baako na womo avo o say 2 years ebeba eye emfie mienu eda ye niwi a ekọ 2024 no 2024 mu o say ebedu ho no na se omumienu ni nyina womu nhia womo dofo enware ye a womo mienu no ebeka won ho abomu na womo awo womo wo nso dia na sesa ware kwan so na womo ennam no.
I'm Patricia.
Felicia.
Nyama kosen.
Nyame adom se nyame wo ho enkon ade yesi wo ho.
Nyo ho. There are sick. Ukofa ka so ho fe.
Mete.
Omo did you know because of your looks and I said it just came up.
Actually it didn't Kalybos na dem marry.
Oh.
And I think probably that played a role.
One of them was certain also.
Yeah. I don't know where it came from. Medene kapa.
Because I saw her when on Maudino.
Yeah, well, he was my mate. In terms of now, on the need phone, I show me actually.
No, Pewana.
Debbie, yeah, classmates.
No, your classmate. No, Abona.
Why then?
Wabong.
Debbie Kalybos was the class clown. Who was our boy not teach you when
my S3.
Only lecture in no.
Oh, wow. And you also saw him from afar.
We were friends actually, yeah, before we started shooting. But the thing is, yes, our production, the director, everybody, we're all in the same class. Yeah.
And it was a success.
It was a huge success. Like, it was mind blowing.
Now your project be now.
Yes, that's it. As video, I once said NAFTI. And usually when you're taught in class, students want to try their hands on stuff, out of class. Yes. Because you really get time to do the practicals. Yes. And our director at that time, KOFI Samoa, not before Weber School, now he was a director. Until he had, the camera and everything. And so he just wanted to try his hands on something. He had an idea. It was like, Mumbai, shooting. And then the plan wasn't for it to come out. Mm. And before we realized it was out. And everybody loved it.
Moving there, Fred. Why should I plan but we have some more planning here?
It does. So, Yamisa will be more sanity.
Yamisa will more.
I say, when you comedy in TikTok, Yamisa
will
yeah.
Majority. Me Latis when our crash on. Aside the Ebononyum no Kwaku Darlington, he's a nice personality.
Artist, that's musician. Can he be an actor?
Yes.
Okay, Kalybos.
Oh. Aunya, yeah.
Oh, me say, yeah, by agreement.
When no?
You say, we are 2 years. So me nya knua, me nya me who come from, so nya me who come from. Yeah,
for real.
Yeah.
And I'm with Diago.
Oh, there be
into 2024.
Yeah. Well, watch out. Someone to say my warrior and Kalybos warrior. We have a little baby coming out. Yeah.
I know I'm very released.
Did you help me?
It was coming out today. So, a album.
A baby.
A baby.
Child. Yes.
I don't believe this.
You don't be okay. Sir,
so when you'll be married in 2024, no, so you're single by then. Yeah, but don't worry.
I mean, we would probably, start paying serious attention to each other. That's what you're saying.
Okay, he's in your plans.
We are in each other's plans.
This is nice.
Right?
Because you're a nice person.
He is very
and
nice.
I said, what's that platform? So, Obodi, I can't want seven. Obi here will be obeying.
Yeah.
AJ, you have somebody like that?
Maybe I want to cancel.
And I'm cancelled.
Maybe I'm not it. I mean, I'm going to be on to cancel.
Sound.
Yeah.
Next time, open Kalybos.
He's a nice person, and I feel like I'd rather be with someone I know, someone who's a friend, you get, and he seems to fall into that.
So you love him 50%.
As a brother, yeah, I love him very much.
As a brother, saying you should be clear.
Yeah, as a brother, as a best friend, and that's what's important.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when you'll be also tenase, one in China.
Oma was sorry, and he does that.
Hey, to a potential husband. At 2024, very happy Father's Day for your children. Kalybos, your chair baby from 95.1. Hey, are you from? I had my men, so I had my master, my MC.
You be there, of course.
Me na me MC will be in obey MC sad and me and Kasa. AJ so betonyum.
Yeah. You see, just a preparation.
So.
Okay, we have a DJ too.
GH boy.
Yeah, DJ Darlington. Darlington, obey
Inti be me bia wabo Ahuofe Patri ato ho e na ge idie wo ye me crash e na ge idie me nyana nka mepe ye ntem kan ho enten pa kan ho na hwere na kira kwa na kwose ne pe nye sa mfie mienu eda ye nim yi one Kalybos ebe ka bomu awo se wentimi anya ne ntem anka ho ankwose ne pe a ene Kalybos ebe je na ade aboso wo yo baby so na ya wo hwa Kalybos videos na ga idio ye me crash na me nyana nka me pe na wanye ntem a Ahuofe Patri be je free wosem kan ho ma ona moto na hwere ne kira kwa na ka kira ne bra me ni je ho me nyawo anka me ware na anti ase enye eduma na mo nka mo ho bonya sa mfie mienu eda ye nim yi die Ahuofe Patri ese wo mo aya agreement wo be ka wo ho abom na wo mo awo wo mo won so dia na aware kwan so na wo mo ennam no ebusi ana brama kwa me ye de kasebo no ebesi mi abeje bra me de kasebo yi ebe so mo me da chehima ajoa nati asira kese enkwama glitter and glow skin Kinaata herbal and a Hygiene organic foods dedi ho enkwama production crew makram
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di no ya mabobo swina. Enu ne dia shetina 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wo no mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma wo energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ni adwuma wo ye. Enu ani sa wo benum bi. Wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. Eye yen konkwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I hear. What feeling? Adam, me back. Kinaata 230 herbal.
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra wo fa sa edro we. Oba wa fa yefunu. Ne o ma ne ba no fo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.